China just dropped a bombshell in robotics. Humanoid robots dancing at the Spring Festival Gala perfectly in sync with human performers. Meanwhile, Figure AI just walked away from OpenAI to build its own in-house. AI Tesla's Optimus is facing a new challenger in the robot hand game, and NVIDIA is training humanoids to move like pro athletes. The race for the most advanced AI-powered humanoid is heating up fast, and things are getting intense. Let's break it all down. The AI war has officially begun, and this time, it's not about chatbots or search engines. It's about humanoid robots. Specifically, Clone Robotics has just thrown down the gauntlet, taking direct aim at Tesla and its Optimus bot. And trust me, they didn't hold back. It all started with a bold claim from Elon Musk. He took to X to hype up Tesla's next-generation Optimus bot, particularly its advanced robotic hand. Musk described it as so sophisticated that it makes a Fabergé egg look simple. That's a huge statement, considering Fabergé eggs are some of the most intricate and delicate creations ever made. But then came Clone Robotics, and let's just say, they weren't impressed. Clone Robotics wasted no time clapping back at Musk's claims, taking to X with a post of their own. They claimed their robotic hand, the hand of Clone, matches Tesla's in dexterity, but is lighter, stronger, cheaper, and softer. And they weren't just throwing words around, they had receipts. Clone can also build a hand in a day before manufacturing scale, said Clone's co-founder Dhanush Radhakrishnan, before adding a particularly sharp jab. And we spent 1,000 times less to create an entirely new class of machine. That's a direct shot at Tesla's expensive and highly engineered approach, suggesting that Clone is doing more with far less. So now we have a direct face-off between Tesla's Optimus hand and Clone's robotic hand. But which one is truly better? Let's break it all down. Both Tesla and Clone Robotics are tackling the same problem: creating a robotic hand that mimics human dexterity as closely as possible. This isn't just about picking up objects. It's about fine motor skills, grip strength, flexibility, and even the ability to handle delicate objects without crushing them. Tesla's approach with Optimus relies on actuators within the forearm, simulating human tendons to create lifelike movements. The newest iteration, dubbed Generation 3, has doubled its dexterity, increasing from 11 degrees of freedom to 22 in the fingers, plus an additional 3 in the wrist, bringing it to a total of 25 DOF. Clone, on the other hand, claims its robotic hand has 27 DOF, matching the complexity of an actual human hand. But the real kicker is the difference in technology. Instead of using motors like Tesla, Clone's robotic hand operates through a system of hydraulic-powered artificial muscles and force valves. This, they claim, gives their robot hands a more natural movement and a level of strength that traditional actuators can't match. In other words, Tesla is trying to replicate human motion through mechanical engineering, while Clone is mimicking biology itself. Breaking news just dropped, and it's huge. Figure, the Silicon Valley robotics company, has announced a monumental breakthrough in AI robotics, so significant that they're ending their partnership with OpenAI. Yes, you heard that right. OpenAI is out. This is a massive shakeup in the world of AI and robotics, and we've got all the details for you right here. Stick around because this story is just getting started. Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure, dropped this bombshell on X earlier today. Here's what he said. Figure made a major breakthrough on fully end-to-end robot AI, built entirely in-house. Because of this, we've decided to end our collaborative agreement with OpenAI. More details and a demo coming in the next 30 days. Now let's break this down. Figure and OpenAI have been working together since February 2024. Their partnership was all about combining OpenAI's cutting-edge AI research with Figure's hardware to create next-generation humanoid robots. But now, Figure is saying, thanks, but no thanks. We've got this. So, what's really going on here? To understand the significance of this announcement, let's rewind a bit. Figure burst onto the scene in 2022 with a bold vision: to create humanoid robots that could work alongside humans in real-world environments. Fast forward to 2024, and they've already made waves with their Figure 01 robot, which integrated OpenAI's ChatGPT for natural language processing. Remember that viral video of Figure 01 having a conversation? That was just the beginning. By January 2025, Figure had rolled out its second-generation humanoid, the Figure 02, which started working full-time at BMW's factory in Spartanburg, South Carolina. These robots weren't just gimmicks. They were performing real tasks in a real-world industrial setting. And now, with this latest breakthrough, Figure is taking things to a whole new level. So, what exactly is this major breakthrough Brett Adcock is talking about? According to him, Figure has developed a fully end-to-end robot AI system entirely in-house. This means they've created an AI that can handle everything from perception and decision-making to physical actions, all without relying on OpenAI's technology. Adcock even promised a demo of this technology within the next 30 days, so we won't have to wait long to see it in action. But why is this such a big deal? Well, for starters, it means Figure is no longer dependent on OpenAI. They've essentially cut ties with one of the biggest names in AI to go solo. Adcock explained to TechCrunch that embodied AI in real-world scenarios can't be achieved by outsourcing to OpenAI. He said, "We found that to solve embodied AI at scale in the real world, you have to vertically integrate robot AI. We can't outsource AI for the same reason we can't outsource our hardware." This is a bold move, but it's not entirely surprising. Figure has been on a roll lately. Just last week, Adcock announced that the company had signed its second commercial customer, one of the largest companies in the United States. While he didn't name the customer, he did reveal that Figure is running an end-to-end neural network for their use case, which will be used for AI training. This kind of vertical integration is clearly a core part of Figure's strategy. With this new development, Adcock sees a path for shipping up to 100,000 humanoid robots over the next 4 years. To meet that goal, Figure would need to produce around 1,000 units in 2025. That might sound ambitious, but it's not impossible. Unitree just dropped one of the most mind-blowing AI robot performances we've ever seen. Their latest showcase features robots dancing with a level of synchronization, fluidity, and precision that has left the internet stunned. These aren't just simple programmed moves. We're talking about real-time adaptability, dynamic balance, and movement that genuinely feels alive. If you thought humanoid robots were still years away from mastering natural motion, Unitree is proving that the future is arriving much faster than expected. Now, before we get into breaking down exactly why this performance is so mind-blowing, let's roll the footage. Okay, what did you just witness? Was that not one of the most insane things you've ever seen? I mean, robots dancing in perfect sync, hitting every beat, and moving with a level of fluidity that feels almost alive. Let's break this down, because there's so much happening here that makes this performance groundbreaking. First off, let's talk about the precision. These robots aren't just moving randomly, they're executing choreographed routines with pinpoint accuracy. Every step, every turn, every gesture is timed perfectly. This isn't just a pre-programmed sequence. These robots are using AI to adapt in real time, ensuring their movements are flawless. The level of coordination between multiple robots is something that even human dancers sometimes struggle with. But here it's like watching a perfectly oiled machine. Literally. Now let's talk about the mobility. Unitree's robots are known for their agility, but this performance takes it to a whole new level. The way they shift their weight, balance on one foot, and transition between movements is eerily human-like. This isn't just about having strong motors or good hardware, it's about the AI algorithms that control every aspect of their movement. The robots are constantly calculating the best way to distribute their weight, adjust their posture, and maintain balance, all while keeping up with the rhythm of the music. This performance shows that robots can be more than just tools. They can be artists, creators, and performers. They can bring something new and unique to the table, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. So basically, China is pushing AI and robotics hard. Unitree's dancing. Humanoids are wowing everyone, and shorter training times mean these robots are improving fast. Meanwhile, Figure AI split from OpenAI so they can control every aspect of their humanoids, hardware, and software. We've also got that friendly rivalry over robot hands. Musk's motor-based design versus clone robotics' muscle-powered approach. On top of that, NVIDIA and CMU are teaching humanoids to move like pro athletes using their ASAP framework, which bridges simulation and real-world practice. All this competition is great for speeding up advances in humanoid AI. Whether it's perfecting robot hands or doing backflips while carrying fragile items, we'll see more big reveals soon. Figure's secret project, Tesla's next Optimus update, or whatever NVIDIA and CMU come up with next. That's your quick roundup of all things AI and robotics. Let me know what you think. Did Figure make the right move, ditching OpenAI? Do you trust muscle-based actuators more than motors? Stick around for more updates.